Wentworth Nursery presents Shade Perennials. Start by determining how much sun you have. Part shade consists of 4 to 6 hours of direct sun. This sunlight is more beneficial when it occurs in the morning as the sun's rays are less direct. Full shade is 4 or less hours of direct sun. This can include dappled or filtered light through canopy trees or shade caused by mature landscaping. Deep shade includes no direct light, such as wooded area or areas blocked by objects. Now, let's take a look at some options. Astilbe is a blooming perennial with a feather-like bloom available in red, purple, pink, and white. They prefer part shade to shade. Depending on the variety, they can grow between 1.5 to 2 feet. They attract butterflies and are deer-resistant. Hellebore, also known as Lenten rose, is a shade-loving perennial with outward-facing cup-shaped blooms, available in white, pink, purple, and green. They can grow between 12 to 24 inches depending on the variety and are deer-resistant. They are known for having evergreen foliage through the winter. Hellebore bloom in late winter to early spring. Bleeding hearts have a unique heart-shaped bloom that are suspended from tall, thin branches. Available in a variety of colors, this beautiful perennial ranges from 24 to 36 inches and attracts hummingbirds and butterflies. Blooming from spring to early summer, bleeding hearts are also resistant to deer. Perennial ferns offer a beautiful texture to shade gardens. With varying shades and patterns, ferns are a deer-resistant plant that do well in filtered light or fully shaded areas. Ranging in size from 12 inches to 36 inches, these perennials are perfect for wooded areas and make nice accents and floral arrangements. Hostas are large leafy perennials with a variety of variegations and colors ranging in blues, greens, yellows, and more. Their large leaves can be used to brighten up shade gardens with bright colors and textures. Hostas come in several sizes from miniature to giant and feature blooms in white, purple, or pink. Heuchera, otherwise known as coral bells, is known for its rounded, ruffled foliage available in an assortment of bright colors and patterns. These leafy perennials boast small bell-shaped flowers that appear in spring and early summer. These flowers attract hummingbirds and butterflies. Heuchera is also deer-resistant due to their scent and taste. Foam flowers are a hardy perennial with dainty flower and attractive foliage. Their name is derived from the foamy white or pink flowers that appear in the spring. This attractive perennial can often be found growing in shady woodland areas. Bees, butterflies, and other pollinators are attracted to the delicate blooms. Dead nettle is a perennial ground cover that prefers shade and is particularly helpful for filling in bare spots in the landscaping. Blooming in spring and early summer, dead nettle features pink, white, or purple blooms and grows 6 to 9 inches tall and 12 to 24 inches wide. Thank you for shopping with us at Wentworth Nursery. Please find an associate if you have any further questions.